Aloha and kia ora. Disney Aulani Vacation Club reached out looking for an interactive cultural transformational experience for 60 of their cast members.
That is not how life should work. You go, I'm going to get that. Good.
They wanted to focus on 3 things.
But what is it for you?
It's 1, building unity amongst co-workers.
You stay there, it just shrinks and you won't do anything.
2, developing stronger connection through collaboration. And 3, inspiring leadership, inviting the group to dig a little deeper to find their why and purpose. With over 30 years of experience, Bernard, my father, a master teacher, took the group through a series of carefully crafted activities.
How do we tell our own story?
Meanwhile, simultaneously, I took the group through a hands-on experience, leaving them with more courage to tell their story and fearlessly write a new one.
This one here could represent family.
The wood carving and also the team bonding activity really allowed us to bond and think and connect on a higher level, and we truly appreciate the opportunity to do this.
Witnessing the transformation in the eyes of those who participated means everything to us, and that's what we saw today.
And I think the best thing about our experience is really just how we came together as a team. And I think through the different activities, that it tells a story. And I think through some of the storytelling with the wood carving, I think is a great way to take something away, something that actually you're going to remember. And I think for all of us, I think what we're taking away is just how we're all different, but we're the same, and how we work together and appreciate our differences.
We learned a lot about each other, we grew closer, we cried, and we laughed, and we really got out of our comfort zone. So it was a wonderful balance between storytelling as well as collaborative thinking, and really brought our entire town hall together. It was really awesome to work with him because I could tell him what our goals for the year were, and he was able to incorporate it in a fun and interactive way for our cast.
Finishing the experience off with a haka. From our ohana to yours, kia ora.